Dr. Bandra Prakash.
Thank you, Chairman, for giving me the opportunity to speak on MSME.
कैबिनेट मंत्री नहीं है मैडम.
The MSME sector is a vital, dominant, emerging in the Indian economy and amount to a major proportion of the manufacturing sector particularly.
डिबेट के
With
बाद
India being a labor incentive economy with a huge demographic dividend on top, the contribution of
जवाब किसका देंगे?
MSME sector employment generation is primary importance. It is also paved the way for innovations, exports and inclusive growth of in the economy. This sector is excess of 28% of GDP and 45% of manufacturing sector output. Apart from the short interval between 2009 and 20 and 2012, MSME sector has been constantly higher than the overall industrial growth rate. For instance, the industrial growth rate was 6.6 in 2015-16. This is compared 7.62% for the MSME. Sector provides employment to an estimation of 12 crore people through around 6.3 crores enterprises. The sector, as per the Boston Consultants Group reports, the sector required almost all 37 lakh crores investments in the sector, but that is available only, the sector is available only 17.4 sector crores by 2019. 40% loans are they are getting from the private enterprise, relatives, friends and other private people. Only 60% from bank and banking institutions, finance institutions, madam. This is the very big gap, the investment what required by the sector that is not provided by the government. RBI constituted a committee of UK Sinha committee. The committee also suggested 35 suggestions. As on today, that is, they are not getting into implementation. Last year, that report came. They suggested that 5,000 distress funds should be there and 10,000 fund to fund to support the new venture capital and other organizations. As on today, there is nothing is there from the government side. 12,000 government requested, ministry requested the finance ministry for 12,000. They allotted 7,500. That shows that what is the importance is government is giving to the MSME sector. Madam, MSME sector is a very key role. The new formed Telangana government also taking very good steps to promote this sector. One of the major barriers to the growth of the small business sector in the country relates to the ease of doing business. Earlier, our rank is around 100. Recently, our rank is reached around 70. After with so many limitations that is coming down. Telangana has been one of the successful model for this in easy clearance of certification highlighted in the innovation policy of the government of Telangana. The government innovation policy is centered around the 5 pillars. Support for building physical infrastructure, creation of sustainable funding channel, facilitating the right environment for developing human capital, engaging with industry to active promote innovation, additional incentives to startups in the rural and social enterprise space. The government of Telangana seeks to promote startups with 3 types of incentives. One is incentives for incubators. Second is incentives for startups. Third one, non-fiscal incentives. The first incentive, they reimburse the paid stamp duty and registration fees. The incentive for startups, they will reimburse the state GST to maximum turnover for 1 crore. First 3 years, reimbursement of fixed % of marketing cost, financial support for the patent filing, recruitment of assistants to support growth, grants in higher growth rate startups. The final non-fiscal incentives, they are supporting self-certification. There is no need of any inspection process. It is closed in Telangana. Madam, I want to bring you to the kind notice of the, this is the very, very important area, the MSME, for the Indian economic growth, the sector is facing challenges and does not get required support from the concerned government departments. Banks, sir, there is so many limitations. Options of adequate and timely banking finance, limited capital and knowledge, non-availability of suitable technology, low production capacity, ineffective marketing strategies, constraints of modernization and expansion, non-availability of skilled labor at affordable cost. And Mudra loans also, now they are giving only 10 lakhs without any security. Even committee also recommended to increase that up to 20 lakhs. The need of the hour is for us to learn from each other, drawing upon the experiences and identity, best practice policies. This in turn have to meet local conditions and circumstances. There is no other opinion. The SMS policies deserve for achieving the social economic goal of employment growth and social justice along with the individual aspirations. Thank you, madam. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।